What's going on, Extreme family? Extreme Jordan here, coming to you guys today about a new installation video we're going to be working on today. Behind me, I have a 2020 Jeep JL that's going to be part of our SEMA lineup this year for SEMA 2020. I got great news for you guys. I have LockerDown USA. It is a USA-based company. They build 12-gauge thick steel textured black safes that go in the center console of the vehicle. And they were happy enough to provide us a safe for this Jeep JL back here. So we're going to do an installation video today, and at the end of this video as well, drop down below, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to Extreme Jordan Vlogs and Extreme Offroad Performance, as well as make sure you turn on those notifications for more content as well. And also, I'm going to provide at the end of this video, I'm going to provide LockerDown USA's website so you can go check out all the variety of safes that they have to offer. So let's go take a look. Okay, so before we start this installation video, the most important thing that we need to look at is the top face plate of the LockerDown safe. What we're installing today is a 4-digit combination lock for this 2020 Jeep JL. Whenever it comes out of packaging, it will have all your 4 digits set at 0. What they ask you to do before you start anything on this installation is that you set your 4-digit pin by turning this locking mechanism to where there is a hole on the side where they provide a pin in order for you to change one by one each digit combination and make sure you unlock and lock after each switch to make sure that your lock combination is set. Now, we went ahead and already did that on this video. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do the main installation on this 2020 Jeep JL. So for starters, it comes with 3 plates. It comes with a left side plate, which has this arch here. Everything is exact fitment from LockerDown USA. It has a right plate and then it has a bottom plate. What we need to do first in this installation is we need to remove the rubber bottom piece that comes with the factory JL. Remove that out of the way. And what we need to do is we need to install the left metal corner piece first. And everything should line up exactly how it is. We're going to add the right side plate. You have to go in at an angle because sometimes these center consoles are tight spaces. And then what we're going to do last is we're going to add the bottom center piece. Now, as you can see here, this piece is straight, this piece has a curve. You kind of line it up with the center console. So we're going to go down, and there are 4 points of mounting for this, and they should all line up within the safe down here. I gotta get in there. So as you heard there, it's all locked into place. So right now I can let go of it and it's sitting in place, but they provide 4 8mm acorn nuts. And what they ask you to do first is they ask you to hand tighten all 4 bottom pieces on each 4 corner. Once I do this, then I'm going to install the top plate, which has 4 more points on it, which require 4 acorn nuts as well, which are hand tightened. And then after all that is done, said and done, then what we're going to do is we're going to tie it with our ratchet wrench 8mm. So the 8 acorn nuts that are provided, we're going to start by installing the first 4 acorn nuts. So I'm going to get in here, and they're really close to the bottom, so you got to work it. Okay, so all 4 acorn nuts are all hand tightened only, as you saw here. I did not use my 8mm wrench yet. So since this is nice and in place, now what we're going to do is we're going to add the face plate component. So you want to go in at a slight incline, and it should drop right in. And make sure you use your hands here. Make sure they're lined up with the holes, and you should be able to feel with your fingers here. Okay, so you heard that locked in right there. So now I can feel all 4 points that need to be added with the acorn nuts, my last 4 acorn nuts. So now we're going to hand tighten these 4 acorn nuts here. And then once all that is said and done, then we're going to take our 8mm ratchet wrench and we're going to apply it to the safe to tighten all it down. Now that all 4 acorn nuts are applied in the bottom and the top lid of this, we're going to use our 8mm ratchet wrench, and we're going to tighten down all 8 acorn nuts that were hand tightened in here. Once we do that, this whole project should be completed and ready to enjoy. Okay, so now we're completely finished tightening down all 8 acorn nuts that were provided. Now this safe is done and ready to go.